Welcome to DMP Training Center. My name is Barrett, and today I want to talk about two-factor authentication in Virtual Keypad and Dealer Admin. Two-factor authentication is an additional security layer when you log in to Dealer Admin or Virtual Keypad. When a technician or an end user logs in with their username or password, they will also be required to enter a unique 6-digit code that is sent to them in a text message or an email. This is fully configurable by the end user or Dealer Admin personnel. Additionally, Dealer Admin and Virtual Keypad administrators can require that their team members use two-factor authentication. Let's take a look at how to set this up in Dealer Admin. Once you're logged into Dealer Admin, in the top right, select your email and then select Settings. On the right, you'll see a heading called Options. Underneath that, two-factor authentication. Let's select that to set it up. First, select the method by which you'd like to receive the security code. You can be sent this 6-digit code in a text message or an email. I'll select text. Next, put in the phone number you'd like the security code sent to. Once you've put in your phone number, select Send Security Code. Dealer Admin will send you a confirmation code to finish setting up two-factor. And now you can see I've gotten my code, so I'll paste that in for messages and select Confirm Code. Now that code has been confirmed, two-factor authentication is set up for my Dealer Admin account. Let's take a look at what that looks like when I log in. Now, I'll log in with my Dealer Admin account. Since I have two-factor set up, now I'm required to enter that 6-digit code. There's the code that I just got in a text message, so I'll paste that for messages and hit Submit. Now, I'm logged into Dealer Admin safely and securely. Additionally, Dealer Admin administrators can require that personnel set up and use two-factor authentication. This is done by setting up a custom role. Let's take a look at how to do that now. In the menu on the right, select Personnel, then Custom Roles. Up at the top, select the plus button to create a new custom role. Give this custom role a name and a description if you'd like. Under Applications, this is where you can decide what applications this custom role has access to. By selecting the checkbox next to two-factor authentication, any personnel that log in with this custom role will be required to set up two-factor before they are allowed to log in. Now let's take a look at Virtual Keypad. Once I'm logged into Virtual Keypad, I can select Settings in the upper right-hand corner. Now you'll see a section called Login. Select Login, and below you'll see two-factor authentication. Select Configure, and you'll see a very similar setup process to Dealer Admin. This time, I'll select Email. Now, Virtual Keypad has sent a setup code to the email that I logged in with. I can copy and paste this code and paste it into Virtual Keypad to finish setting up. Now you can see I've set up two-factor authentication with my email in Virtual Keypad. Let's take a look at what that looks like when I log in. I'll put in my email and password. And now that I have two-factor required, I need to check my email for the code that was sent to it. Here you can see that new code that was sent to my email. I'll simply copy and paste that into Virtual Keypad to finish logging in. Virtual Keypad administrators who have access to all systems for their customer can require that all app users use two-factor authentication. Let's take a look at how to set that up now. When I log in as an administrator, I'll select Admin in the upper right-hand corner, then select Users. You'll see a checkbox that says Require two-factor authentication. I can select this and then select Enable. Now, any app users for this customer will be required to set up two-factor authentication the next time they log in with their email and password. Two-factor authentication is a great benefit to your technicians and your end users. It ensures that when someone is logging in, they are who they say they are, because they have access to that 6-digit code sent to them in a text message or email. For any additional questions about two-factor authentication, visit dmp.com. Thanks for your business and have a great day.